Hi Lowell researchers, this is Mrs. Radway. On today's learning board, I posted a question that can be answered somewhere within PebbleGo Next. You will have to use your thinking caps to know where to go in PebbleGo Next to find the answer. Then, when you find the correct answer, you'll fill out a form and it will get sent to me. Let me show you what I mean. Let's pretend my learning board had this question. What is a moonbow? Well, I know the answer is going to be somewhere in PebbleGo Next. So you need to log into ClassLink. To do that, go to the Sioux Falls School District website and click on Remote Learning. Then you can click on the Lowell Learning Board down here, or you can click right up here at the top to the ClassLink. Using your ClassLink login, the information that you learned in the video 2 weeks ago, type that in and then push sign in. Once you are in ClassLink, you will need to go to PebbleGo Next. If for some reason the login is not working for PebbleGo Next, the username and password for that has been provided on your learning board, but you shouldn't need to use it, but we have been having some problems. Well, now you're in PebbleGo Next, and there are 5 main databases: states, science, American Indian history, social studies, and biographies, remembering that a biography is a book about a person's life. Well, let's see here. This is the question. What is a moonbow? Now, this is a word that I have never heard of before, so I need to use some of my background thinking. I see the word moon, so maybe it has something to do with outer space and being on the moon. I also hear that the word moonbow sounds kind of like rainbow, so maybe it has something to do with like nighttime instead of daytime, using the moon instead of the sun. Well, either way, I think that this answer is going to be found in science, because outer space is science, and rainbows would be some kind of science as well. Now, within science, there are some subcategories. There's earth science, life science, physical science, and the field of science. Well, if it's earth science, I think that might be where I'd find the moon. Atmosphere, geosphere, hydrosphere. Oh goodness, those are some words I'm not really familiar with. Planets in the solar system? Let me click on that one. I don't see anything about the moon here. Stars in the solar system. Here's the moon. Let's see if it has anything about a moonbow. Oh wow, there's lots of tabs up here as well for me to help look for where I would want to find moonbow. I can also do a Control F to find the word moonbow. Moonbow is not found anywhere in the whole article. So I wonder if it has something to do with rainbow then. Let me go back. So this up here is called your thread in PebbleGo Next, and it shows all of those subcategories that you clicked on. I'm going to go back to Earth Science. I just don't know. This atmosphere might have something to do with a moonbow. Greenhouse gases and global warming, humans and the atmosphere, layers of the atmosphere, natural wonders in the sky. Well, a rainbow would kind of be like that. Natural wonders in the sky. Okay, so there's no other subcategories. There's just tabs now. It says auroras. Ha! Right there. Moonbows. I'm going to click on that tab. Now, under moonbows, you can see the heading matches right up there to the heading that we just tapped on. And if you would like it to be read, that is a cool picture. Sorry, I just clicked on something. Look at that. A moonbow. Looks like it's happening at nighttime and it looks like a rainbow. If you'd like it to be read aloud, you can tap on the volume button, or if you'd like to read it by yourself, that's okay too.
Moonbows are similar to the commonly known rainbows because they are shaped like an arch and are formed by light. However, the source of light in a rainbow comes from direct sunlight, while the source of light in moonbows comes from reflected sunlight, or moonlight. Rainbows occur when sunlight refracts through raindrops or other water droplets in the sky. Moonbows occur when moonlight refracts through the water droplets in a waterfall. Moonbows can form during rainstorms too, but they're more common over waterfall mists.
Well, there's our answer. What is a moonbow? Well, a moonbow is like a rainbow, only it's using that refracted sunlight, the moonlight, and it's happening at night, and it usually happens at a waterfall. Cool. That's a word that I didn't know before. On your learning board, there is a link to get to this Google form, and this is where you're going to turn in your answer that you find to your research question. Again, the 3rd grade research question is different from the 4th grade research question, which is different than the 5th grade research question. The first thing that you'll do is type in your name, and then you'll choose your classroom. Let's say I'm in 501. Now here's where you put your answer to your question. Your answer will not have anything to do with moonbows, but that was my sample question. Let's see, the question was, what is a moonbow for me? So I'm going to type in a moonbow is a rainbow that happens with mist from a waterfall and moonlight. And then you'll push submit. Your answer will automatically go to my email and you don't have to send a separate email. Remember to check your learning board for your question. This was just our sample question. And good luck, researchers! I hope everyone is able to find the answer to your research question.